Are you tired of mixing tracks on speakers that sound like they've been run over by a truck? Fear not, music maestros. Welcome to the world of studio monitors, where your mixes reach their full potential and your ear's true calling can finally shine. Think of studio monitors as the unsung heroes of your music production journey, providing clarity and balance that puts your jam sessions on the fast track to greatness. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best studio monitors that won't just amplify your music, but will have you dancing in your chair while perfecting that elusive bass drop. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Mackie CR3-X, our pick for best budget studio monitor. Meet the Mackie CR3-X, your new audio sidekick that's here to elevate your sound game without draining your wallet. Imagine this, a sleek MDF cabinet with a brushed metal front and a zesty lime green trim. It's like your speakers just walked off the set of a sci-fi blockbuster, but hold on to your headphones. It's not just about good looks. The CR3-X comes loaded with a 50-watt power amplifier that delivers audio so clear and punchy, it'll make your playlists sound like they've been produced in a top-tier studio. With a 0.75-inch silk dome tweeter and a 3-inch polypropylene woofer, you'll feel the bass vibrations down to 70 Hz. It's ideal for everything from intense podcast sessions to binge-worthy YouTube videos. Just remember, give it some space. That rear-ported design needs to breathe to show off its true potential. With a max SPL of 97 decibel, you're in for a treat. And let's talk connections. Whether you need balanced 1/4-inch TRS or a simple 1/8 of an inch stereo, the CR3-X has your back. Literally, there's a front panel headphone output for stealthy late-night mixing. And because we love you, snag a free copy of Pro Tools First along with the Mackie Musician Collection to kickstart your audio adventures. The CR3-X isn't just a monitor, it's your creative partner in crime, ready to help you shine. Number 4. IK Multimedia iLoud Micro, our pick for best portable studio monitor. If you thought great sound couldn't fit in your backpack, think again. Meet the iLoud Micro monitor from IK Multimedia. Hailing from the culinary mecca of Modena, Italy, where they know a thing or two about good taste, both in food and sound. This little gem is not just a cute speaker, it's a powerhouse that brings serious audio chops to your portable rig. Say goodbye to the inflated bass and piercing highs of your average consumer speakers. The iLoud Micro monitor serves up flat, neutral response that'll make your mixes sound as good as a fresh batch of balsamic vinegar, well-balanced and bursting with flavor. Perfect for those cozy makeshift setups. These tiny titans allow you to sit closer without drowning in bad room acoustics. With a bi-amplified design featuring a 3-inch woofer and a silky smooth 3/4 of an inch tweeter, they deliver a natural frequency response all the way down to 55 Hz. Plus, internal 56-bit DSP takes care of room correction, just like a personal trainer for your sound. Want to get casual with your tunes? These beauties come with wireless capabilities for seamless listening. Weighing in at less than 4 pounds, they're your new best friends for any audio adventure. Stylishly available in sleek black and white, you'll be turning heads while turning up the volume. Trust us, you won't want to miss out on these. Still searching for the perfect studio monitor? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. JBL 305P Mark II, our pick for best studio monitor for beginners. If you're on the hunt for your very first set of studio monitors, let me introduce you to your new best friends, the JBL 305P Mark II. Not only do they offer fantastic bang for your buck, but they also serve up sound so articulate, you'll think you've just stepped into a professional mixing studio, without the price tag that makes you weep. Here's the kicker. The sweet spot for these bad boys is surprisingly wide. That means even if your setup looks like it's been through a tornado, you'll still get a stellar listening experience. And boy, do they strike a beautiful balance between low-end thump and high-frequency sparkle. perfect for those marathon mixing sessions where your ears need to be as happy as your creative soul. But wait, there's more! Tucked away on the back are handy EQ controls that let you fine-tune the sound to your setup. If your monitors are squeezed against the wall like a sardine in a can, just trim that bass. Or, when they're perched perfectly on stands, you'll find that delightful balance without the headache of constant adjustments. In short, the JBL 305P Mark II isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in your musical journey. Welcome to the world of mixing, where you'll create art that doesn't just sound good, it sounds great asterisk. Number 2. KRK Rokit RP7 G4, our pick for best studio monitor for home use. If you've ever dipped your toes into the world of electronic music production, you've likely encountered the iconic yellow speaker cones of KRK. Enter the Rokit G4 series, the 4th-gen marvel that's not just a speaker, but your musical sidekick in the studio. Think of it as the trusty companion that doesn't just make noise, but crafts the perfect soundscape for your sonic adventures. Here's the kicker. The G4S are among the first budget-friendly monitors that sport a graphic EQ right on the speaker itself. Say goodbye to pesky dead zones in your mixing space. With built-in digital signal processing, tuning your setup is as easy as pie. The built-in room analyzer will charm your socks off, making sure your mixes hit all the right notes. Even if your space does have some surprising acoustical quirks lurking in the corners, with a frequency response stretching from punchy 42 Hz all the way up to a crisp 40 kHz, these speakers deliver the sound you didn't know you were missing. They pack a solid 145 watt of power, so you'll crank your beats without a hitch. Just remember, no digital connectivity here, but who needs that when you're crafting tracks that are straight fire? Mix it up with the KRK Rokit G4S and let the music play. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. YAMAHA HS5 W, our pick for best studio monitor overall. Ready to kick your audio game into high gear? Say hello to the YAMAHA HS5 W powered studio monitor, the golden ticket for your sound sanctuary. After putting these beauties through their paces, it's clear they're not just your average speakers. They're like the trusted sidekick you always wanted in your mixing adventures. First off, let's talk accuracy. You want precision, right? With a flat response and stellar resolution, these monitors deliver mixes that translate like a charm across any sound system. Forget about second guessing. Your mixes will strut their stuff with confidence. And oh, the sound image clarity. You won't just listen, you'll be immersed. From the breathy nuances of a vocal to the thump of a kick drum, every detail stands out like it's on a red carpet. Your creativity will flow smoother than your morning coffee, ensuring you capture every beat without even breaking a sweat. Now, they're compact at 5 inches, perfect for snug studio spaces. But if you're dreaming of bass that could shake the walls, you might want a larger buddy to join the party. Built on Yamaha's legendary reputation, these monitors are the industry standard, adored by pros and enthusiasts alike. So, what's not to love about their transparent sound? Dive into the world of Yamaha HS5 W and let your music shine. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best studio monitors. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which studio monitor you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.